Hello students, these are the shipping phrases from the chapter number 39, Insurance and Shipping Phrases. Advances against shipment. D with V hook above the line and double S circle, disjoined downward-ish with M and T. Advances on acceptances. D above the line with V hook N double S circle for advances and K S circle P N double S circle for acceptances. Bill of lading in set of 4. Intersecting B is used here with upward L on the line D and G. It is used here for bill of lading, and F and downward R is used here for 4. Next is Board of Trade Regulations. Bar half on the line, ter half for trade. Regulations के लिए क्या? Gull with shan hook with circle within. Regulations. Cable exchange rate. K bull on the line for cable, KS circle J for exchange, and intersecting upward R is used here for rate. Captain's receipt for documents. K P above the line for captains. K P T and S circle for captains. Upward R S circle T for receipt, and D with S circle disjoint here for documents. Case of total loss. K S circle T on the line, another tull for total, and upward L with S circle for loss. Cash against bill of lading. B through the line, L upward, D and G for bill of lading, intersecting here with K at the beginning for cash. Chamber of Commerce. J on the line, MBR doubled for chamber, and K is used here for commerce. Charter party. J above the line, downward R doubled for charter, intersecting at the end it for party with P. Constructive total loss of cargo. Kanka.str with V hook for constructive on the line, T for total, and L upward with S circle for loss, and G is used here for cargo. Consular invoice. KNS circle for consular, and V with a circle for invoice above the line. Cost, insurance and freight. Short form is CIF. K with a circle for cost, N for insurance. Alternative form of FR, halved, is used here for freight. Whole outline above the line. Documents of title. D above the line, K with a circle for documents, and T with another tull for title is used here. Endorsed and confirmed. N doubled with a circle above the line, F downward R, and M halved thickened for confirmed. Errors and omissions accepted, short form E and OE. Downward R S circle for errors, M with S circle for omissions, K S circle with P for accepted. Foreign general average. J on the line with were, intersecting at the beginning for foreign with F. Clear? Next is free of general average. Alternative form of for, intersecting here with general through the line, and were is used here for average. Okay, next is free on rail. FOR इसकी short form है. For alternative form of for through the line for free, upward R, downward L is used here for rail. Free on board. FOB is the short form of it. Alternative form of for through the line is used here for free, and bar half is used here for board. London office of the bank. Downward L halved with N hook with N is used here for London. F with a circle for office. Intersecting B is used here for bank. Marine Insurance Act. M upward R with N hook for marine. Intersecting it with N for insurance with a circle. K halved is used here for act. Marine insurance policy, same outline above the line. M upward R with N hook for marine. N with a circle is used here for insurance, intersecting here, and P for policy. Merchant Shipping Act. M with R hook on the line is used here for merchant. Downward H is used for shipping, and K halved is used for act. Nature and cause of damage. N doubled is used for nature. K with a circle is used for cause. D with M on the line finish whole outline for damage. Not responsible for the damage. N halved for T. S circle P with NS circle for responsible, and disjoint D with M above the line is used here for damage. Port of London Authority. P on the line, downward L halved with N hook with N stroke is used here for Port of London, intersecting it with id for authority. Remit draft on Paris. Downward R on the line, M halved for remit here, and draft के लिए क्या? Dar halved with F hook for draft. P upward R with a circle is used here for Paris. Remit proceeds of bill. Downward R same outline, M halved on the line for remit. Per with S circle, D with S circle for proceeds, and B with upward L is used here for bill. Salvage charges above the line, S upward L, V is used here for salvage. J intersecting here with S circle for charges above the line. Shipping documents enclosed. D K, a circle is used here for documents. Intersecting ish downward is used here for shipping above the line whole outline. Next है enclosed. N cull with ST loop is used here for enclosed. Telegraphic codes. K D, a circle is used on the line for codes. Tull intersecting here at the beginning is used for telegraphic. To be approved by the underwriters. To be through the line, approved per halved with V hook is used here, and underwriters के लिए क्या? Disjoined upward R doubled with S circle is used here. Value to be declared. To be through the line is used, intersecting it with V at the beginning for value, and cull downward R second halved for declared is used here. Voyage policy. V above the line, J through the line, intersecting it with P for policy. Weight subject to correction. V halved for weight, S circle B for subject, and cur doubled with Shan hook for correction. York Antwerp rules. Y upward, intersecting it with N halved, and way upward verb. Okay, downward L with a circle for rules is used here. So these are the shipping phrases of the chapter number 39 इंश्योरेंस एंड शिपिंग फ्रेजेस. इससे रिलेटेड एक्सरसाइज की जो डिक्टेशन है वो आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेगी. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कोई भी दिक्कत हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.